The portable washing machine with upgraded 11L capacity by BIC is a compact and lightweight appliance designed for small spaces and travel. It offers several features that make it a convenient solution for everyday laundry needs. Some key features: upgraded 11L capacity. This portable washing machine boasts an 11-liter capacity, nearly double that of similar models. This increased capacity allows for washing more clothes in fewer loads. Foldable design. The machine folds down to just 12.5 by 12.5 by 6 inches, making it easy to store in closets, shelves, or under the bed. 3 washing modes. It offers 3 timer options: 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes, allowing for customized wash cycles based on the user's needs. Effective cleaning. The machine simulates hand scrubbing to provide powerful decontamination, making it perfect for cleaning delicate items like baby clothes, underwear, or socks. Efficient drainage system. A self-contained drainage pipe and a bottom drainage hole ensure smooth and efficient water drainage. High-powered cleaning. A built-in pure copper high-power motor operates at high speeds to handle tough washing tasks. Pros: compact and lightweight, weighing only 3.5 pounds, this portable washing machine is easy to move and store. Ideal for small spaces, its compact size makes it perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and travel. User-friendly, the semi-automatic cleaning function and timer options make it easy to use. Durable, made from TPE and food-grade silicone, ensuring safety and durability. Cons: not suitable for larger garments, not recommended for washing heavy or bulky items like jeans, long skirts, or bathrobes. Dehydration function time limit. The dehydration function should be limited to 3 minutes to prevent the basket from dislodging. This portable washing machine is a great option for individuals living in small spaces or those who travel frequently. Its compact size, lightweight design, and efficient cleaning capabilities make it a practical solution for everyday laundry needs. However, it's essential to note its limitations regarding larger garments and the dehydration function time limit.